Hello students, today our topic is built-in functions in Python in list. Okay, we are talking about the list. This topic is a part of the list. Python has large number of built-in functions and methods that make program easier. So we have lots of functions. We can use these kind of functions in our program for making our program more easier. Append. It is used to add element to the last position of a list. Means if any number we will put along with this method or function, that number will be added in the last of the list. Syntax of this function is list name dot append an element we will pass over here. L1 is equal to 34, 65, 23, 98. These are the elements in our list. Then L1 dot append 76 means this number we want to add in our this list. Then L1 34, 65, 23, 98 and at last it will add the 76 number. Insert. Next function is insert. It is used to insert an element at specified position in the list. It takes two arguments, one for index number and second for element value. How? This is the syntax. List name insert index comma element. Now this is a list. In our list these numbers given. L1 dot insert 3 means its position, and at third position you have to be enter this string. This string you have to be insert because we are using insert function. As you know, list elements started from the 0. So 0, 1, 2 and 3 mean in this position we want to insert this new element. So you will write L1 dot insert 3 comma new. Then L1 will just type 34, 65, 23 till here it will come like this. Then third position it will give new. Then at last 98 will be there. Okay. Now student, next method is extend. Means we want to extend our list. This method is used to add contents of list 2 to the end of the list 1. Means first of all list 1 element will be displayed. After that next list elements will be added. So syntax is list 1 dot extend list name 2. This is another list that we want to be extend. This name this list name will write it. Then L1 is equal to 43 hello 56. This is the list 1. L2 word try 65.77. This is another list, and these are the elements of the list. Now L1 dot extend L2. Then L1 we will press write. Then that means L1 after L1 element, this element these element, or you can say this list will be extend. So L1 now it will be 43 hello 56. पहले तो आपके L1 की list में इतने elements थे. Now these second list will also be add on over here. World try this. That means L1 will be now extend. Okay. Sum function. This method is used to calculate the sum of all the elements in the list. Sum list name. That means if you want to add the values of list, for that we will use sum function. L1 45, 23, 87, 59. These are the elements of this list, and we are using sum function. Sum of L. That means it will add these number and output will come like this. Okay. Sum method is used for only numeric value. Just make sure, just remember it, that this function, this method will be applicable only for the numeric values. It will not applicable with the strings. If you will use, suppose you are giving your name, and can you add your with your name any number like Aman 10? No, na. So here same thing here, like, so what you will do, L1 here, so it's giving, it is adding the values and then you are getting output here 169. But in this case these are the list, means in this list we have string value also along with the number, and we are using some function. So here it will give the error. What kind of error it is? Unsupported operand type for int and str. That means you are adding these number with the string. So this will not be allow. This function will not be allowed with the string kind of values. Len function. This method is used to calculate the total length of the list. Means in your list how many total elements are there. For that you will use len function. The syntax len list name. The list, this is your list, then you will use len list 1. Then it will count the total elements on your list. So elements are 6, so 6 is just giving the answer. Now count function. This method is used to calculate total occurrences of the given list. Means here in list 1 we have element 4, 3, 5, 2, 54, 4, 2, 6, 4, 4, 5. Means how many times 4 has come in this list. So we can use L1 dot count. Then what we will do? 4 means what we want to count, which number we want to count in this given list, that is 4. So 4 occurrences how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 54 will not be counted. It's not 4, it's 54. So 4 output will come in. 4 की occurrence आपकी 4 है. 4 number has come 4 times in this list. Understood? Now this is the syntax list name dot count element. This is the syntax of this function. Now index, it returns the index of the first occurrence. Start and index are not necessary parameters. Like in N list you have 2, 3, 4, hello, 2, hello. Now we want to find out hello occurrence, means hello word, it has come in which index value, and it will check only first occurrence. It will not go for the further occurrences. Like hello यहाँ पर आया हुआ है, तो एक जहाँ उसको पहली बार hello मिलेगा उसी को वो फाइंड आउट करेगा. फिर नेक्स्ट अकरेंस उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. तो वी हैव use l dot index hello. That means in this given list we want to search the hello word first occurrence, and it will return the index value for that. So that's why the function name is index also. So hello 0, 1, 2, 3, because you know index value started from 0, so output will come 3. But here also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it is not giving 5. Till here it will search. Okay, it will not go move to the next word now in the list. I hope you have understood. Now we will have more functions, more methods in this inbuilt function of the Python list. Thank you.